Meaning of Gulf Stream.
Gulf Stream.
Gulf Stream.
Gulf Stream.
Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a powerful, warm ocean current that flows along the eastern coast of North America and across the Atlantic Ocean towards Europe. It plays a critical role in regulating the climate in these regions and is responsible for the mild temperatures found in places such as Western Europe. The Gulf Stream is driven by a combination of factors, including wind patterns and differences in water temperature and salinity. Changes in the Gulf Stream's intensity or path could have significant impacts on global weather patterns and ocean ecosystems.